In this comprehensive tutorial, we embark on a transformative exploration into the realm of makeup for mature skin, honing in on the essential techniques that embrace the journey of aging with grace and confidence. As time's gentle passage leaves its mark, the art of makeup becomes a powerful tool to celebrate the beauty of experience etched onto mature skin. Within this video guide, we embark on a journey of empowerment and self-expression, equipping you with the knowledge and skills to craft a makeup look that not only defies the years but also amplifies your inner radiance. Mature skin is a canvas that carries the stories of a life well lived, of memories and resilience. The Makeup for Mature Skin Anti-Aging Techniques tutorial seeks to honor these narratives, capturing the essence of wisdom and authenticity. The goal isn't to mask the natural progression of time, but rather to artfully accentuate the elegance that age bestows and to present a visage that radiates a timeless allure. At the core of this tutorial lie anti-aging makeup techniques, designed to illuminate and rejuvenate. We'll guide you through the art of selecting the perfect foundation, one that evens out while allowing the luminosity of your skin to shine through. Techniques like contouring and highlighting come into play, delicately sculpting your features and infusing a youthful dimension to your face. The eyes, portals to the soul, take center stage in our narrative. We'll delve into the nuances of eye makeup for mature skin, demonstrating how to enhance their allure without emphasizing fine lines. The goal is to create an open, lifted appearance that's both flattering and age-appropriate. We'll explore eyebrow techniques that frame the face, ensuring they harmonize with your unique features. Lips, a focal point of any makeup, are approached with precision. Our guidance will lead you in selecting lip colors that bring vibrancy and radiance to your overall look, addressing concerns such as feathering. Lip liner application will be explored, along with insights on creating a fuller, more youthful lip contour. Blush and illuminator take on new dimensions in this context, imbuing the complexion with a youthful radiance that transcends time. Our tutorial will elucidate the art of placement and blending, resulting in a natural flush and luminous highlights that capture the essence of vitality. Makeup for Mature Skin Anti-Aging Techniques is an invitation to embrace your personal beauty journey. This tutorial aims to empower you to use makeup as a tool to amplify your inherent elegance and celebrate your authentic self, regardless of age. With your chosen makeup products at hand and your appreciation for the beauty that matures like fine wine ignited, embark on this transformative voyage. By the time the tutorial concludes, you'll have not only mastered the techniques of age-defying makeup but also cultivated a profound reverence for the stories that your skin tells. With deep gratitude for joining us on this journey to unveil the ageless grace within, let's seamlessly transition into the realm of crafting makeup for mature skin. Anti-aging techniques, where beauty, wisdom, and self-assuredness converge to create a look that embodies the beauty of every life chapter.